Hello and welcome to English Coaching with Rachel. In this grammar lesson today, we'll explore past participles, what they are, and how to use them, and the difference between regular and irregular forms. So if you've ever been confused about past participles, enjoy this video and you'll be able to master this part of English grammar. So let's dive in. A past participle is just a form of the verb. For example, the base form is eat, the past form is ate, and then we have eaten. The word eaten is the past participle. It is used in perfect tenses and in the passive voice. It's easy to confuse the past simple and the past participle, particularly with regular verbs. The past simple tells us when something happened. For example, I ate lunch yesterday. The past participle is often used with have or has, and it shows the result or the experience. For example, I have eaten lunch. So ate is the past simple and eaten is the past participle. We use past participles with have or had in perfect tenses, like I have eaten. They are also used in the passive voice. The cake was baked. And sometimes they're even used as adjectives, like a broken window, broken being the past participle of to break. So, how do we form the past participle? Well, it's easy with regular verbs. They're easy to form. Just add ed to the base verb. For example, walk becomes walked, and clean becomes cleaned. But some verbs are irregular, as we know in English. They don't follow this ed rule. You'll need to learn them by heart, so practice them. And here are some common examples of past participles for irregular verbs. Now it's your turn. Fill in the correct past participle and say it out loud. Pause the video if you need more time. Okay, let's test your knowledge with this quiz. Pick the correct past participle for each sentence. Ready, steady, let's go. Here are the answers. How did you do? So let's have a quick recap. The past participle is a form of the verb, like eaten or gone or played. You'll see it usually with have or has in perfect tenses. I have eaten or she has gone. It's used to talk about experiences. For example, I have eaten sushi. I ate sushi yesterday. So in I have eaten sushi, we don't necessarily say when, it's just that it happened, it was an experience. I ate sushi yesterday focuses more on the time that it happened, when it happened. So well done today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more grammar lessons. See you next time. Bye for now.